Hello and Namaskar. You're watching KTV India with me, Varsha Venugopal. Tamil Nadu Assembly elections 2026 are shaping to be one of the most unpredictable elections in recent history. Experts are finding it difficult to clearly predict the outcome. But one thing is certain. This election has the potential to change the political landscape of the state forever. The last election in 2021 was already unique. For the first time, two towering leaders, Jayalalitha and M. Karunanidhi, were not present. Their absence created a major leadership gap. At the same time, M.K. Stalin and his party DMK managed to win. This was partially due to emotional support for Karunanidhi and internal conflicts within AIADMK. But here's the key point. Many of those victories were very close. Now in 2026, the situation is even more complex. Both major parties, DMK and AIADMK, are facing a leadership crisis. DMK is dealing with strong criticism. Issues like corruption, law and order concerns, and governance failure are being raised frequently. There are also concerns about illegal networks operating in the state after the pandemic. To stay in power, DMK is depending on its traditional voter base and a large alliance of smaller parties. On the other hand, AIADMK is struggling with internal divisions. The political instability increased further when O. Pannirselvam switched sides earlier in 2026. Amid this situation, a new player has entered, popular actor Vijay. His entry into politics has created excitement, especially among young voters. He has a strong fan following, particularly in the 18 to 30 age group. However, there are major questions. What exactly does his party stand for? What is his long-term vision? Who are his key team members? Right now, his political ideology and structure are not very clear. There was also controversy around a rally incident in 2025, Karur Stampede, which raised concerns about leadership responsibility and decision making. Many are comparing Vijay with legendary figures like M.G. Ramachandran and N.T. Ramarao. But the situation are very different. MGR had strong political experience and a clear purpose when he started his party. Similarly, NTR entered politics with a powerful message of regional pride and self-respect. Both have massive public trust and a clear direction. In contrast, Vijay is still building his political identity. We have also seen actors like Chiranjeevi and Vijay who had popularly but couldn't achieve long-term political success. Vijay could become a dark horse in this election. His support base includes youth and certain community groups who may shift their loyalty. But the big question remains, is popularity enough to win power in today's complex political environment? Tamil Nadu in 2026 is very different from the past. Voters are more aware, expectations are higher, and political competition is tougher. At the same time, Bharatiya Janata Party is also trying to expand its presence. However, it faces strong resistance due to ideological differences and long-standing perception among voters. Even though it is making some progress, turning that into electoral success is still a major challenge. So, what makes this election special? No dominant leader like before. Multiple parties fighting for space. A new celebrity entry shaking things up. Unpredictable alliances and strategies. This election is not just about winning or losing. It's about the future direction of Tamil Nadu politics. Will it bring a major shift or will it continue the old patterns? Only time and the voters will decide. Stay tuned to KTV India for more updates on Tamil Nadu election 2026. Thanks for watching.